Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice without vegetables. First, ensure you have cold, day-old cooked rice. This is crucial for a non-sticky result. Gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains, preparing it for the wok. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready before you start cooking will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This method focuses on simple, savory flavors. Next, heat your wok or large skillet over high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, then quickly cook your preferred protein, such as diced chicken or shrimp, until it's fully cooked through. Once done, remove the protein from the pan and set it aside. This step builds a foundational flavor layer for your fried rice, ensuring every bite is rich and satisfying. Keep the heat high for best results. Now, add a little more oil to the hot pan. Quickly sauté minced garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Push these aromatics to one side, then add your cold rice to the pan. Spread the rice out and let it fry undisturbed for about 1 minute to develop a slight crispness. Then, stir constantly for several minutes, ensuring each grain gets evenly heated and lightly toasted. Finally, return your cooked protein to the pan with the fried rice. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for that classic fried rice aroma. Stir everything together vigorously for about 1 minute, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. Serve your delicious, vegetable-free fried rice immediately while it's hot and fresh. Enjoy this simple, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.